I made a chair and a bird. They travel through time together. It's the 1950s, and obviously you need to have the newest Charles and Ray Eames design, the plastic side chair. I tried and I failed with other materials, so I had to use plastic and bend it with heat, which doesn't hurt at all and works every time. I destroyed the tiny hole puncher, and all for one round piece of plastic, which is not really visible, and also I had a big puncher. Anyway, this chair, like many other designs by Charles and Ray Eames, is iconic to this day. You don't even have to look it up because it looks exactly like this. In the 50s you would also have a Picasso in your house, I suppose. So this is The Wounded Bird by Picasso. It can take some time to find the bird.